We're going to practice writing a file into our program. First, we have to have a method, and then we will have our throws file not found exception, which we have to import file not found exception for. And this way we can have an exception for when you're reading the file. In here, we are going to have a scanner that reads the file. This will be scanner, and we can call this scan and set it equal to new scanner. Inside of here we will have new file and then the name of our file, and we can just call this test.txt. We have to import scanner, and we also have to import file. After this, we can count how many words are in this file. We can do an int count and set this equal to 0. And we will also have a while loop that goes through every single line or every single word in this file. For this example, we'll use every single token, so every single word. We'll have input.has next, and this will get each next string or next token. And then we will have string word, and we can set this to input.next. And this is actually scan.next, not input. So for scan.next, and then we can print this out. We can do system.out.println, and we will have word. And this will print out the word, and this should also be scan. And after we print out our word, we can do count plus plus, and this will increment all of the words that we count to. Instead of storing word, we can also just move the scan.next into our print line if we wanted to as well. And this count will print out all of the times that this loop goes through, and this loop will run until we have no more next token. So since this counts all the times we go through the loop, we will have a sysout, and we can just print out count, and this will print out all the times this loop has run. If we wanted to do line, we can do has next line, and we will have to change this to scan next line. And then we're just going to print out the same thing, and this will, instead of counting the tokens or words, this will count out how many lines we have and print out the same thing. More in-depth examples are in Practice It, Self-Check 6.12, 6.13, and 6.14.